Hey, this is Harold at Giant Loop Snow, and I just wanted to kind of talk about some of the kit that we've been using here, specifically some of our friends in the industry and some of the aftermarket parts that we're using here on our snow bike. So this has been a key piece of equipment here, this Trail Tech Voyager Pro. Not only is it a fully functioning GPS, but it also gives me all my instruments for the engine. I have its RPMs, and critically on the snow bike, it's engine temperature. So I can monitor the engine temperature while I'm out riding and make sure that it's not getting so cold that the bike begins to lean out and oil and contaminants get into, or the fuel and contaminants get into the oil. So the Voyager Pro, key piece of equipment. Go light, go fast, go far, get some pow.